Hello friends, Tech in English channel, all of you welcome. You can see that here compared to Realme 11 Pro Plus iPhone 14 Pro. You can see that here comparison this phones, and also you can see that here first one is launching date May 23 September 2022. You can see that here launching date, and next is height 6.3 inch, and iPhone 14 Pro is 5.81 inch. You can see that here, and width is 2.90, and next iPhone 14 Pro is 2.81 inch. Subscribe this channel. Thickness is 0.32. iPhone 14 Pro is 0.31, and next one is weight 180 grams is their Realme company, and weight is next is 206. iPhone 14 Pro is there. Build quality in iPhone 14 Pro is front glass, back also glass, frame also stainless frame is there. You can see that here. Display type is AMOLED display HDR10, and iPhone 14 Pro LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display is there. You can see that here. Display color is 1 billion colors is there. Two side you can see that here. iPhone 14 Pro also 1 billion is their colors, and display size is 6.7 inch, and iPhone 14 Pro is 6.1 inch is there. You see, and next one is screen body ratio 19.5 percentage. iPhone 14 Pro is 17.0 percentage there. Next one is display resolution 180p pixel into 212 pixel is there, 1179, and 256 pixel is there. You can see that here. Display ratio 20:9, and iPhone 14 Pro is 19.5 is to 9. See, display density is 394 ppi density, and iPhone 14 Pro is 460 ppi, and refresh rate is 120 Hz, and iPhone 14 Pro is also 120 Hz. Refresh rate is same. Next one is display protection. Gorilla Glass protection is there, and ceramic shield is iPhone 14 Pro glass. Back camera is 200 megapixel in 48 megapixel, 2 megapixel is there macro, and iPhone 14 Pro is 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. Back camera picture LED flash HDR and dual LED dual tone flash HDR iPhone 14 Pro. Next one is back camera video quality 4K 30 fps and 4K 30 fps bar 60 fps also recorded in this phone. Front camera 32 megapixel iPhone 14 Pro in 12 megapixel. See, next is system Android 13 and iPhone 14 Pro in iOS 16.4. Next one is chip. Chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 7050 and Apple A16 Bionic 4nm is there. Next one is CPU. CPU Realme company in octa-core, and iPhone 14 Pro in hexa-core. CPU GPU is Mali G68. Apple one is Apple GPU. 5 core is graphics is here. RAM 12 GB RAM Realme company, and iPhone 14 Pro is 6 GB RAM. Next one is ROM. In there is 256 GB, 512 1 TB GB there. iPhone 14 Pro in 256 and 128 GB. Battery is 5000 mAh battery is there. iPhone 14 Pro is 3200 mAh battery is there. Subscribe this channel, please. And fastest there is 10 volt is the Realme company, and iPhone 14 Pro is 15 volt wireless is there. You can see that here. And peak brightness is 950 nit brightness is there. Same on this phone. iPhone 14 Pro also same features. Yes, under display is fingerprint. iPhone 14 Pro is no. Fingerprint is no. Face unlock same. Yes. Next one is network. 5G supported on this phone. Two side. iPhone 14 Pro also supported. And SIM, dual SIM. Nano SIM, Nano SIM also supported on this phone. Next one, speaker. Good speaker is there in this on this phone. Next one, jack. No. Two side is no. Earphone jack. Next one is Type C. Lightning cable is a 2.0. iPhone Realme company in Type C is there. Radio in Realme company is yes. iPhone 14 Pro is no. Water resistant IP68. IP68. iPhone 14 Pro also IP68. Next one, sensors. You see that here in comparison is iPhone 14 Pro is more. You can see that here. Next one is Bluetooth. Realme company in 5.2. iPhone 14 Pro in 5.3 is better. Is iPhone Pro. Price also Realme company is see that your price and iPhone 14 Pro also see. Thank you and subscribe this channel. Thank you.